In the box is the OR addition rule, but we won't be working with probabilities involving OR until questions 10 through 13. So I'm going to wait until then to talk about these rules. So the directions say you are dealt one card from a 52 card deck. Find the probability that you were dealt, and then number 6 is not a 4. So this is a complement, which means we want to take 1 minus the probability that it is a 4. So the probability that it's a 4, there are 4 4s, so it would be 4 out of 52. But because we are trying to find the probability that it's not a 4, we're taking 1 minus 4 out of 52. So that will give us 48 out of 52, which reduces to 12 over 13. Number 7 is not a club. So there are 13 clubs. So the probability that we do get a club is 13 over 52. So not a club would be 1 minus 13 over 52, which is equal to 39 over 52, which reduces to 3 over 4.